it's not supposed to look like that. What's up, YouTube? So patrons finally got your stickers on the helmet. Next thing is going to be they're going to be taking over the bike, probably right around this area. So if you guys don't know, patrons put a sticker of whatever you want on my helmet and also the bike. So if you guys want to join, link down below. Today, let me just give you an update. So we're in the garage. So Stock to Knot Season 2 is going to be kicking up in December. If you guys didn't know, the Coast to Coast bike right here, the one from Honda, we're going to be stripping this and doing a build series on that. So if you haven't followed the Stock to Knot build series, here is Season 1 in a little bit of a disassembled state, but here's Season 1's bike. That's what it started like. So that's when it was brand new, used. Just had some aftermarket plastics on it, and this is what it looks like complete. So if you guys watched the previous video, probably you know I stripped the bolt or the cap for the oil drain or fill plug, oil fill plug, yeah. So anyway, strip this guy on the Katako side cover. That goes to the catch cam. So shout out to Hard Race and Steady Garage. Steady Garage is 2-day FedExing me this part right here. So I should have that tomorrow, so I should be able to put this back on. And then I also bought another side cover just in case this one is messed up. If not, I can sell it. So this one is gonna be going to the track real soon. You guys know this one went to the track, the tires. We did good on that one. I checked the PSI in this when I got back. Cold, they were at 5 PSI. Oh, fuck. Not good. So what we're gonna do, speaking with some experts from the track world with Groms, we're gonna put the TT93s on from Dunlop. And then we're gonna actually inflate them to proper tire pressure. So right now, there's a guy that just joined the Tampa Grom squad sometime this month. So just bought a 2019 Honda Grom. He's having issues with his clutch, so he doesn't know if it's an adjustment or if he burnt it out doing some off-roading. So he's on his way over here. We're gonna take a look at it, see if we can fix it for him. Never met the guy, but he posted up in our group saying that he was having some issues with it. And instead of trying to diagnose it over the computer, I told him to just come here. The garage is looking mighty spiffy. I got all the tools laid out, so as soon as he gets here, we're gonna diagnose it right around the block. And I'm gonna show you guys what the 2019, I think he's got the blue or green one. I think it's the green one. Anyway, we're gonna look at the difference on the plastics. So there are some difference from the 2017, 2018. All right, we'll pick it up when he gets here. Here she is, a 2019 Honda Grom, which we're gonna adjust the clutch, maybe replace it, we'll see. So Charles has been, you had it, what, a month?
2 weeks.
2 weeks?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna drive around
the sand the other day and on some trails.
And just burning it, you think?
Yeah, man.
That's how I burnt my first one out.
I mean, it was some deep sugary sand.
All right, I'm gonna take it around the block, see what it feels like, see if it's actually, since I'm the clutch burnout master. All right, so she's definitely not poppy. So let's see what we can do with quick adjustments. So basically, I'm just trying to get it to engage a little bit further in. So instead of engaging all the way out, have it engage more towards the bars. See, like right now, it's still in neutral. And then way out there is where it's starting to pull. Oh no, it's starting to rain. I'm gonna take it back in the garage in the comfort of no rain. All right, let's take a look. Alright, it's not supposed to look like that. So we're gonna go ahead and replace everything so you can actually see back there how dark the fiber plates are. And then this is just coated with a whole bunch of burnt oil. So 300 miles?
338, yeah.
338 miles, 2019 Honda Grom. Clutch is done. Let's take it apart. Ready? I'm not sure if you can hold this guy. Okay, so look at these plates.
Yeah. So I guess we diagnosed it correctly.
Yeah.
But they're not supposed to be black, though.
Not supposed to be. So that's the steel. So we got the new clutch pack together and we got it tightened down perfectly, so happy about that. This is an old one, so what I did is I just swapped out this. So this is his original burnt up clutch basket upper, I guess. So I just swapped it out for this one. Pressure plate's still the same. We got the new KOSO plates in there with the springs as well. So we're gonna slap this guy back together. Should be good. Let's do it. See what she's got. It helps being first, not second. All right, so replace the full clutch with the KOSO and also put the KOSO springs in there. Those plates, as you guys can see, were extremely burnt out. So Charles, I guess, went off-roading and did what I did previously, which is just ride the clutch lever to try to keep it from stalling, especially in like sugar sand. So that'll burn up the clutch pretty quick, and I think that's what he did. So I'm just gonna see how it feels when we pop this thing. So we might have to adjust a little bit. Feels pretty good though. Oh yeah. She good. All right, he's all set then. Yeah, she's good. She's good, man. Here, get on her. Yeah, I'll turn it around.
I like it.
Yeah, she's poppy. So you might have to adjust it just a little bit. It's a little bit on the, and then when you get it in neutral, if you have any issues, just kind of rev it a little bit, then kind of click it in. That's kind of how. Sorry. Yeah, she's good. It's a little poppy.
A little poppy, my ass.
Yeah, another happy customer done. So as you guys can see, his plates were pretty burnt up. So if you take it in the sand, make sure you do not ride out that clutch. But yeah, you got a little bit of mess clean up. Just bought this a couple weeks ago, so got them all set up. You should be good to go. Better?
Another quality job.
All right, man. Don't stall it. Bye. All right, so Charles is set. So 2 weeks or 3 weeks he said he had the Grom, so he already burnt out that clutch, which not on him because I've done the same thing. You go in sugar sand in Florida, it's very, very easy to burn up the clutch, especially if you're not used to riding in the dirt. But his bike is 100% solid. It's actually better than when he got it with the KOSO aftermarket heavy duty clutch and the springs. She pops. So if he wants to take it the stunt route, which he doesn't know which way he wants to take it, he's solid. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and call this a video. Hopefully you guys learned something. If you're a Grom owner and you have a group with you, especially a new rider to your group or new Grom owner, if they reach out on your group and say they need help, offer up that help, see what you can do, especially if you have the knowledge. So you guys know I've been through clutches an ample amount of times on this channel, so I'm happy I could help, and I'm happy to see him back on the road. And the 2019 Honda Grom in green, I actually like it. So even though it's Cali green, the black bearings on the side, it looks pretty hot. So Honda, I might need some plastics for the coast to coast bike because I'm gotta save these. Just as a reminder, I'm giving away this coast to coast Grom. So this was from Honda. We took this cross country. We're gonna rebuild it and we're gonna take the plastics off, put some new ones. They might end up green, and give it away to one of my patrons. So anyway, stay tuned for that. That should kick off in December. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a like. If you haven't done so already, you want to subscribe, hit that subscribe link, and I'll see you in the next one.